Hey there Raiders, here's how to unlock item shop armors in Sand. If you're just starting out, you've probably noticed that the item shop has very few items available. That's because most equipment has to be unlocked through the tech tree before it can be purchased. While exploring, you've likely come across jackets as loot. These jackets actually serve as the game's armor, and once unlocked, you can buy them directly from the shop instead of relying on finding them during expeditions. To unlock armor for the shop, open the tech tree via the upper left navigation bar. Go down to Landwehr's branch, which is the green-colored section. Look for the upgrade marked with a jacket icon labeled Shop Armor. Before you can research it, you'll first need to unlock the preceding shop weapons upgrade in the same branch. Once that prerequisite is complete, you can unlock the first armor upgrade for 1,500 crowns and 200 scrap metal. After researching it, return to the item shop and you'll find the old smuggler's jacket available for purchase. As you continue progressing through the tech tree, you'll unlock stronger armor with better protection. Just keep in mind that higher tier armor upgrades require increasingly valuable materials and more crowns, so you'll need to complete plenty of expeditions to afford them. Remember that researching an armor only unlocks it in the shop. You'll still need to purchase it before equipping it for your next raid, and that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.